Guys, use the dynamite. Museum 78 seconds. 78. Oh! Yo! The police guy got flunged. The museum is crazy. Everybody's here. Oh, what's up, guys? This just came out, like, right now. Brand new update of Jailbreak. Museum robbery. New robbery. New classic car. 2 new skins for the World Cup and new cash prices. We're gonna check some of those things out, so yeah, let's get to it. The first thing is cash prices. See what this is. So 99 Robux for 1,000. Wow, okay, 100k for 4,000. That's a lot of stuff. But yeah, that's that. Shall we teleport to the new car and the new robbery place? I think we should. Let's go. Oh wait, guys. Okay, so I see it over there. Is that one over there? Let go. Wee. Okay. I'm sorry, Ferrari, for doing this to you. But yeah, this is the new robbery place, the museum. Pretty sure the new car is up here. Hopefully. And let's see how much it costs. Ah! Don't judge my driving, okay? Don't judge me. I'm a young man with dreams. How much is this? 50k, guys. I might have to get it just for the video. Well, I'll just make a separate video on it. But yeah, this is the museum heist. Since it's a 2-player heist, I'm gonna get someone to join me. Guys, meanwhile my friend joins, we are gonna check what this is right here. Oh, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, collect stuff. I don't know. Just grab the bone. Grab bones. I don't even know what I'm doing. Deliver to collect a volcano base. I wonder why is it there. Grab bone. Grab bone. There's some guy already here. Grab bone. Oh my. This is some impossible, Mission Impossible stuff right here. Grab picture. Grab picture. Grab picture. Grab picture. Not enough room in your bag? How much are these pictures? They take so much. Okay, Kanzared said to go to the ladder. We already did that, but we're gonna do the new heist. Oh, sorry about that. So, let's do this. This running is so slow. Hey, there's Kanzared. Oh, there's that guy over there. So it's a 2-person thing. 98 seconds. Uh-oh. We need to wreck this guy. Okay. Guys, we have a whole squad here of random people besides Kanzared. Guys, use the dynamite. Museum 78 seconds. 78. Oh! Yo! The police guy got flunged. The museum is crazy. Everybody's here. Everyone come to new heist. This is crazy out here, guys. Ah! There's a cop here. Oh! He has the handcuffs out. We can't have this for the video, guys. Slash team. Whoops. Whoops! Help! No! I get targeted. Even on the video. Oh! Guys, I'm gonna teleport there. In 3, 2, 1. Lego. Oh, guys. This is crazy. That dude is about to die. Oh my. Oh, dodging skills. Oh, dodging skills, guys. Uh-oh, not the one that we were standing on. Oh. No. Let's go. Oi. Ay, ay, ay. Woo. Yo, someone took the mask already. Oh well. What is this? Is this a puzzle or something? Oh, easy. 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 What? No. Easy. What? I don't get it. Oh, we have to. We did. Oh, we need to turn this. Guys, we need to turn this. Okay, fine. Okay, so that, 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 yes. Okay. Guys, this is a whole puzzle. No. No! This, yes. Okay, it's done. Oh, we need to turn this now. Oh, it has to be that. Okay. Yes. Now. Yes. Now. What? Oh, okay, okay. Stop touching it, noob. Okay. I only have 4 out of 8 kilograms. This is just not even fair. I need to do this puzzle. Okay, so that. No. Oh my. No, this. Yes. No! This. And now. 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 That. Oh my god. Literally. Okay. There. Yes! Let's go! Grab it! Just grab it! What? He took it all? I don't get it. This is just... Switch room 1. Switch room 2. Both switches must be pulled at the same time to continue. Oh my. Say in chat when you have it. For the other switch. Oi! Yo! Phew. I literally got targeted by these red lights. I literally got targeted. Oh! Jumped over it. Got it. What? Oh yeah, I got it. Got it. I'm gonna risk it and go to room 1. What? What happened? Let go! Okay. I don't know what happened, but... What happened? Well, guys, that was an intense museum heist, but we're gonna have to leave the car for a soon to come video. But yeah, that was a little showcase, you could say, not really, of the museum heist, but who needs a museum heist when you have jewelry store? Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys later.